video, we are going to harmonize the hymn, Thou Whose Almighty Word. Okay, so in this arrangement, I will only use the chord 1, chord 5, and chord 4. I usually prefer to arrange piece in C major, but that would make the lowest note to hear, which is too low for anyone to sing. So I moved it up to F major. So the range is from C to C, which is very nice if you want to accompany others. Yeah. Let's start. So for the first phrase, I got 1, 5, 1. I got chord 1, chord 5, 1. In other words, it's F, C, F. Yeah. But if you jump around, it might be difficult. I would play the second chord in its first inversion. So that's also a C major. Yeah. So F, C, F. Yeah. So let's do it together. Next, I have 1, 4, and 5. Yeah, as you notice, I played 1. The chord 4 is in second inversion, and it's probably easier to move everything up by a notch for the 5. Yeah, so that's chord 5, chord 4, chord 5. Yeah, do it again. Next, straightforward. And for the next two phrases, we got 5, 1, 5, 1. Yeah. Then we have another easy phrase on the chord 1. 5. Now we can put everything together, and now put slide here, put more stops. Okay, let's go.